Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom message in customer completed order email using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then scroll down in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see email ID customer completed order, and then you see title, and then you see custom message. So you can add title and custom message according to your requirement for customer completed order email. If you want to some styling, then you can add style with this class email upsell title, email upsell p. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order page and scroll down, open any order. Now edit order open and scroll down, you see order detail, and then you see order status, drop down. Now select completed and then click on update. Now you see order updated done. Go to email to check if we receive email or not. Now you see we receive email, and then you see title customer completed order, and then you see message add custom message on customer completed order. So you can add title and custom text according to your requirement, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.